I'm Dr. Sriharsha, Ajjur, consultant urologist, andrologist practicing in Bangalore. So today I'm going to tell you what are the most frequently asked questions by the patients and complete details about ZSR circumcision. So first question is, what is ZSR circumcision? ZSR circumcision is a type of stapler circumcision in which a specialized stapler is used to remove the foreskin. So next is it a safe procedure? Yes, it is completely safe procedure. We have done more than 1,000 cases of ZSR circumcision. How does the stapler do the circumcision? In this circumcision, the circumcision stapler will cut the foreskin and also seal the two edges of foreskin with the help of silicone ring and metal clips. So how much time it will take? ZSR circumcision takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes. If you require frenuloplasty along with circumcision, then it may extend up to 15 to 20 minutes. At the max 20 minutes, the procedure gets over. How much time do I stay in the hospital? If it is done under the local anesthesia, your hospital stay will be around 2 to 3 hours. If it is done under general anesthesia, it may take 6 to 12 hours. Do I need to take bed rest? Absolutely, bed rest is not necessary in ZSR circumcision. In fact, after 6 hours, you can go to work, you can do all household activities. Day-to-day activities can be done without any discomfort. Can I join the work from next day itself? Yes, you can join the work from next day onwards, but only issue is you cannot do strenuous exercises, strenuous activities at the work. Next question is, how long that hypersensitivity of the glands last? That hypersensitivity of the glands lasts for 7 to 10 days. Since all these days it was covered under foreskin, now it is exposed 24 hours. The glands will be very sensitive. Whenever it touches in the surrounding cloths, you get weird sensation or some sensitivity issues. To avoid that, you can apply the antibacterial cream which we advise, and then you can do a minimal dressing before you wear underwear. That will avoid sensitivity and pain. So does ZSR circumcision reduces the penis size? No, ZSR circumcision will not reduce the penis size. An erect penis is same as before surgery. Here we are just removing the foreskin which is covering the glands. Actual length of the penis is not reduced. Does it affect my sex life? ZSR circumcision will not affect your sex life. In fact, the problems which you are facing before circumcision, those problems will be solved and you can enjoy more sex after circumcision. So in some patients, the gland sensitivity will reduce slowly over a period of months to years. That in turn improve the duration of intercourse and also solve the problem of premature ejaculation. After how many days the silicone ring will fall off? The silicone ring will take around 3 to 4 weeks to fall off. After how many days you can have sexual intercourse? To have sexual intercourse, you have to wait for 4 weeks or a month. Even though wound heals between 7 to 10 days, the complete wound healing takes place in 3 to 4 weeks. You can have sexual intercourse after 4 weeks. Can I go to gym or can I do running? You have to avoid heavy exercises, going to gym, swimming and running for 15 to 20 days. What are all the complications I should anticipate after ZSR circumcision? Even though ZSR circumcision is a bloodless procedure. Like any other surgery, there will be minimal risk of bleeding in this procedure also. Can this ZSR ring gets infected? Yes. If you are a diabetic or if local hygiene is poor before surgery, then very minimal chance of infection will be there, which can be cured with antibiotic. Does it injure my glands or any other part of the penis? No, we take utmost precautions, and also the stapler itself contains a lot of safety features which doesn't allow any complication during surgery, like safety lock, silicone ring, and a cap around the glands. These things will avoid complications during surgery. Next most common question usually people ask is it better than laser circumcision? Definitely ZSR circumcision is far better than laser circumcision. So what is the difference between laser circumcision and ZSR circumcision? Anything which is done in advanced technique, people call it as laser circumcision. No, laser circumcision is a single type of surgery in which laser energy is used to cut the foreskin, and again we put stitches. So difference between ZSR circumcision and laser circumcision is, in laser circumcision we'll cut the skin with laser energy and again we'll put stitches. In ZSR circumcision we don't put any stitches. In turn, that stitch marks will not be there once it heals. The scar will be very minimal in ZSR circumcision, whereas in laser circumcision you will get the thick scar with the stitch marks and also some swelling in the scar area. And also ZSR circumcision takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes of time for the procedure, whereas in laser procedure it takes at least 30 to 60 minutes. Overall, ZSR circumcision is the best compared to laser circumcision, and also it is better than conventional circumcision with knife. ZSR circumcision is a revolutionary technique which revolutionized the procedure of circumcision with minimal scar, with minimal bleeding, minimal pain, and early recovery. So for whoever opting for circumcision, I advise to go for ZSR circumcision, which is safe and cosmetic also. If you want to know more about ZSR circumcision or any circumcision, you can contact us or you can visit our website.